To enable and use Clipboard for keyboard in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our, not the settings, we need to open our keyboard. So type anywhere just to show you the keyboard, and then you will need to click on the Clipboard icon right here. That way you'll get a prompt. I already have my Clipboard enabled, but you should get a prompt asking if you want to activate your Clipboard. Click on yes, and then you should see something like this with a few different tiles. You can click on those tiles and hold them to remove them from the list. Those are pre-made tiles and you can safely remove them. Then let's try typing something so we can actually add something to our keyboard Clipboard. So in this case, I'm just going to type some gibberish, and then we can click and hold it like this and then copy it. That way it's already in our Clipboard. We can click on those 4 tiles, go to the Clipboard, and here you should see that text that you've copied. Each text that you're gonna copy will be available in your Clipboard. You can click on it to paste it in, you can hold it to pin it, to always have it on top, and you can also delete it from the list if you like. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.